All right, so a second ago, for me, I don't know how long you took between the videos, but I had just gone ahead and grouped all our like terms from our plugging y sub p problem in. And so now is the part where I set everything equal according to the like terms and create a system of algebraic equations. So I want my sines equal to each other and my cosines equal to each other. So I'm going to say, okay, looking at the signs, I have that minus 9a plus 3b plus a should be equal to 2. Then, no matter what I plug into my sine 3x, I'm always going to have the left and right sides are equal to each other. For my cosines, I see that minus 9b minus 3a plus b should be equal to 0. Since cosine is on the left side, but it's not on the right side, whatever's attached to cosine on the left side should be equal to 0. And then I'm going to simplify those equations. Minus 9a plus a is minus 8a. And minus 9b plus b is minus 8b. And so now I just have two equations, two unknowns, and I have to solve for a and b. So let's see what we can do. If I have minus 8b minus 3a equal to 0, that means that I should have, do I want to solve for a or b? Let's do b. B would be equal to 3a over minus 8. And then if I go ahead and solve the second or the first equation, I guess, minus 8a plus 3b, I want that equal to 2. But plugging in what I just found, that's minus 8a plus 3 times 3a over minus 8. So that's minus 8a minus 9a over 8. So that's minus 64a minus 9a all over 8. And I want that equal to 2. All of this right here was just algebra. This right here is the equation I started with. Maybe I'll write little numbers so you can see where they came from. That way it's not unclear. So from there, I can just solve minus 64 minus 9 is minus 73. So a would be 2 times 8 is 16 over minus 73. And then b is minus 3 over 8 times 16 over 73. Sorry, minus 16 over 73. So that's just positive 6. No, yeah, positive 6 over 73. Okay, so my y sub p was a sine 3x plus b cosine 3x. But now I know what a and b are. It's minus 16 over 73 sine 3x plus 6 over 73 cosine 3x. And the general solution, where I would have y equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 plus y sub p is just going to be y equal to c1 times my solutions to the homogeneous equation. So e to the 1/2 cosine root 3 over 2 plus c2, same thing but with sine, plus my y sub p, the thing that we actually just found. So plus negative 16 over 73 sine 3x plus 6 over 73 cosine 3x. And it's a big mess, but we did find that solution, so that's what's important. I will remind you right now, and I'll say it when you're doing your web work, that Solving systems of algebraic equations is a skill that you learned in other classes. And if it's a skill that you sometimes make mistakes at, you should use a numerical tool to help you with that. Because, they're available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here. We'll talk about our third rule when we come back in the next video, and it'll be the last thing that we have to think about when we're building these G's for our particular solutions.